China, which today is called the People's Republic of China, is a huge country with a communist government that covers about 1/5 of the continent of Asia. Today, at the start of a new millennium, China is home to 1,300,000,000 people, roughly 1/5 of the world's population. China is bordered by 14 different nations. To its north is Mongolia, and then moving westward are the Muslim countries of Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. From there, China borders India, and after that, the small Hindu and Buddhist kingdom of Nepal, and then tiny Bhutan. After that, China's border meets India again, until it reaches Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam. China's coastline runs along the China Sea and the Yellow Sea, which are parts of the Pacific Ocean. Off the coast, the nation of Taiwan, or Nationalist China, was governed from the mainland capital of Beijing before the Communists took over in 1949, and it is still claimed by the People's Republic today. In the northeast are the last of China's neighbors. One is the small communist nation of North Korea, and the other is the enormous nation of Russia. China has several important rivers that are used for transportation. The two main rivers are the Yellow River and the Yangtze River. Huge parts of China are very dry and quite thinly populated, such as the region near the vast Gobi Desert and the high, very cold Tibetan Plateau that runs along the towering peaks of the Himalayan mountains that are the highest mountains on Earth. Most of China's citizens live in the eastern third of the country, where the best land for farming is found. Almost all of the most well-to-do Chinese live in huge cities such as Beijing, Hong Kong, and Shanghai. But the majority of Chinese are less prosperous farmers, like those seen here, that live in rural areas. Nearly everyone in China writes and reads the official language called Mandarin, but the Chinese speak many different dialects. That is why people from different regions of the country often have difficulty understanding one another.